Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be spicy lemon pepper catfish bites. We have our catfish here. We have black pepper, salt, lemon pepper, Old Bay, Frank's Red Hot, and 1 egg. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all, like and comment on the video. Let's get into this video. Alright crew, so we have our catfish here. I'm just gonna cut it up into bite-sized pieces.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come.
So there we have it right there. We're gonna put them back in the bowl. So we have 1 egg here. We're gonna go in with salt. And not a lot, since we're using the Old Bay seasoning. Black pepper. Then we have our Old Bay seasoning. Then we're gonna go in with some red hot Frank's.
I crave love and attention.
Just gonna give it a mix.
But I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come? Bought all these panties, but I really don't.
So this is what it should look like. And once again, we use Old Bay, salt, black pepper, and Frank's Red Hot, and 1 egg. Alright, we have our flour here, and all the thing we're gonna go in with our flour is Old Bay seasoning. Alright crew, so let us know how y'all been doing in the comment section below. We're just gonna take some of our bites and put it in our seasoned flour. And I'm frying these at 340 degrees. And you want to fry these between 4 to 6 minutes, depending on how crispy you want them. They sound good and crispy, y'all. Alright, crew, so for our sauce, we're gonna take some margarine. We have 3 tablespoons of margarine right there. Alright, so we're gonna go in with our Frank's Red Hot buffalo sauce. And a little honey. So we got our catfish bites here. We're just gonna put them in there.
I got one.
So here's our catfish bites, spicy, but we're gonna make a lemon pepper. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, so we have our bites in there. So we have our lemon pepper seasoning here. Spicy lemon pepper catfish bites. Let me give y'all a close up. There go that famous close up. Alright, crew, so here we go with our spicy lemon pepper catfish bite served with some fries. And if y'all like the video, please thumbs up the video and comment in the comment section below. And if you're not, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and set post notifications to all. And y'all already know the saying, pops out. Peace.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.